Guys, the Lawn Care Kid back with another video, and this is a review on my Husqvarna 48-inch riding lawn tractor. Start off with some features. It has headlights, it's a manual deck lift, 2.5 gallon gas tank, trailer hookup, over tires, power meter, 8-inch fabricated deck, a cup holder, squishy chair, a parking brake, cruise control, light engager, steering wheel, scalping wheels, gas pedal, reverse pedal, brake pedal. This lawn tractor has a 24 horsepower Briggs & Stratton Intex V-Twin series, 724 cc, and it's a ready start. Pretty sharp looking whip. LawnMower has 510 hours in 20 minutes. It's fast. This was a weird review on my Husqvarna riding lawnmower 48-inch deck. Vroom vroom. Guys, it would mean so much if you did hit that subscribe button. We're right under 20 subscribers. I want to hit 20 subscribers on this account. And while you're at it, smash that like button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Peace.